The event itself has a very good format. I like the fact that, you have panel discussions, you have exhibition.
One simple learning out of these 2 days could be a game changer in my own work, and my advice and my presentation also could be a game changer for someone else.
There have been a lot of insights and interesting conversations with people from the industry, but it's also that you get an opportunity to see and get insights into where they are investing or what are they looking to invest in terms of Industry 4.0 or the element of humanizing Industry 4.0. So far it's been really good conversations.
We really enjoyed the atmosphere. The venue is perfect. We also saw some of the speakers are very relevant, inspirational topics. I can confidently tell that we have already scheduled several follow-up meetings after the meetings which we had here.
So we have to have diversified manufacturing facility, diversified people, diversified supplier, diversified even finished product, so the company can compete and have the right cost with the right people in place.